Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
MP ka Lok Sabha uba Vincent H. Pala, henne kasngi kakat pratrek unai lor Arhajar Arpawe, ula shimti pura kum President Bathemai, ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ya kani ka jingalang Lapanlong State Convention Center, Shillong. Ha kani kasngi, lawan yashimentalang daki MLA ki MDC, kinoyalam kaseng na ki blok baper, kinoyalam ki AICC bat kiwe. Kinong kren ha kani kasngi kila ai kublai kerpang yu ba pala bat kila kularu bakin ya trailang banwan ra jingjab ya kaseng ha usnem Arhajar Arpulai.
Hajat di penit pernah sa. Gawi gawakwa o penpawi pisa. Kita sekian guru WM kejing selurit api. Habim em warid ukro chimpi kamju euro kamwa ke Bible Allah ketin ke jong play kau penrit dan pengkram kit bok ki biang i pisan to blai trekra ruku ipi ya ke yung kesem yung pi khamtam ye parti yungi warawi.
We have the government now in the state of Meghalaya, which everyone complains. But I always say, at any given point of time, the public, the society always get the government they deserve. Our electorate, our people sometimes stress so much, they stress so much on the short-term benefits, forgetting the long-term gains. We have a government that promised we will give you ILP when we come to power. We have a government that promised we will release the coal business once we come to power, and many other things that I can list on and on, but I don't want to do that. We get only the government that we deserve.
And I always feel inside my heart, this party is a God-gifted party. That's why since yesterday, I was thinking I should get well today, I should get well. Under any circumstances, I must go today. I must meet people, party people. And because of that party, because of Congress party, today I become so strong. And after seeing all of you here in this hall, I really become stronger with you. All blessings. Thank you.
Ngidon haka ying kesem jong ka parti Kongres ka ba ladang nadu ke Pratrik Desember atras Pak Pausan. Dagi spasnem gilaya kani keseng kepala dan benta banpen na kau duduk usuk kup seliang musem seliang bat ka kongsan kalau ka Kongres parti ke parti ke bom tunyo seliang parti yang lah kani nyam terkom agar konsyur agar riti kedustur karyam kabet ilok syipara ada parti Kongres. Kei ke masuk tenat. Yang leaders ki babun ki belalin nak syadid jungi. Ki belalin nak syadid di Gidinjal. Ki mangibla pan kelet. Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Parok ki deiki nongelam ki babun kamla kerja kerja. Di beladon ke bentaman permandur ya ke India ke bangi ngilong kumni kum bangilong. Nasab sarong yelede. Bangade yung tre warit apo aja barat. Bangi nang long kumni kum bangilong aduh. Kadi geri ke bangi jungi ke bangi jil kum secular country. Kadi jing yalam ke dak jogi crowd khat. Policy makers ki bayalam ke parti ya ke ri ke jungi. Ke bangilong kumni kum bangilong. Yumlah berkelet ada ingin nyawi kampung ha kita pun kita Kongres Parti Kalale. Ia kari bat kejat pedri ujungi inumlah banyo ke Pampur kita kendang kita bersua. Nama rektang isong kemen syukur akan dikasih banyak donlah akan ikut program pendem bro. Baik Vincent H. Pala in Shimti Presiden banyak skam manang ni syakman akan jengelam kejupi inanglah menteri kampung.
Iban kere lede, ya bentar kalau ini isan snem ibang iyo, ini isan snem lese amdei kecing surdiau betong bangin dua mesin no, andre kade kapor kabangi ini ban penkere lede, kade kapor kabangi ini ban pet hapo, don ayu kecing pakla jungi bangila le pakla bagi pai bagi akan tajin. Kade kapor ka bangide ban penbahaya ladi de hanta bangiyo I ya kade ke jingkla ka badan matakasngi ka bangiyo yu presiden batamai baya ke tim jumu panyalam ini nang ni syakman adu ka arah jata pulai para lawan klub badan do bangiyo e ka state kade Kongres Parti kabala samsyar ya kade ke jelajuni kade Kongres Parti kabala sensyar bat kabala penondur ya kade ke setiap ku bakalo mentah ngimde mangin klub ya ki ki bagi leaders jungi kilale kini kisam ki balale. We have had stalwarts in this party, we have had stalwarts who have left us, we have stalwarts who have retired also.
AICC looks at Meghalaya and says, 2023, we have a government here. Yes, it is because we have very good candidates, we have very good MLAs, our performance in the assembly is very good, all those things are there. Our women representatives are tremendous. But the other side, the flip side is, look at the government. It's like as though they are coming and giving it to us, please take over, please take over, please take over. Look at it. Really, I can't understand it. How can the government be so, I don't know, let me not use bad words. Okay. Yeah. It's like you say, please take over now. So the Congress Party, because of our work, but at the same time, a certain portion by default also, we will get a government in 2023.
I don't know what is the funda behind that hum jeet rahe hain. Victor ji rightly said that they are giving us, please come and take the government. But having said that, we really have to work hard. By just saying that we are going to win, I don't think it is going to happen. We have to work very, very, very hard. That is very important. And with your leadership, with your team, I guess it is time now for you to prepare a roadmap, Balaji. That is very, very important. We have to really go on with a lot of protests against this government. I don't need to specify or pinpoint the issues. We have enough issues. And especially in the last 2 months, what has happened in the state, everybody is aware of. So it is time for you to identify the issues, start protesting, not only in Shillong, it has to be entire Meghalaya. Because we should not be seen working only in Shillong. It has to be entire Meghalaya.
We don't beg for the salary of the staffs. I'm grateful to James who have managed the funds. You cannot believe it, for 10 years I used to sign blank check for James. And though I'm the treasurer, I used to sign blank check because I trusted him. So from a small treasurer, then I was made as a working president. Today I'm here. I'm only a son of a farmer. I'm proud to be here, only because of the Congress Party.